Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a vehicle in the shop with the check engine light illuminated. The first step, as always, is to perform a rapid DTC scan with the ADS625X diagnostic scan tool. We notice a P0171 code. On our scan tool, an online search brings up a TSB that has been issued for this error for this vehicle. We follow the procedure outlined in the documentation. First, we inspect the airbox and air filter placement to confirm everything is seated properly. We notice right away that the filter has seen excessive use and that it isn't aligned properly. We replace the filter with a 5607 WS Workshop air filter. Next, since the previous filter was dirty, and to ensure the MAF sensor isn't also compromised, we perform a diagnostic test on the MAF sensor using the OTC 3990. The voltages are within the spec we see on the wiring diagrams via the ADS625X scan tool. Lastly, we check the AF sensor for proper operation and verify the fuel trims are nominal during idle. We notice the trims are nominal and can verify that the repair is complete. Lastly, we'll perform a final rapid DTC scan with the ADS625X to ensure the fault is cleared before we return the vehicle back to the customer. And that's how Bosch solves a vehicle with an illuminated check engine light. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.